Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you that how you can turn off X or Twitter sensitive content setting on your mobile phone. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do first, you have to open up your X app. Okay, you have to open up your X app just like this. Then you have to go to your profile. After that you have to click on settings and support. Then you have to click on settings and privacy. So after doing so, you have to click on privacy and safety. Then you will find an option called content UC. You have to click on this option. Then you have to click on search settings. After doing so, you have to make sure this option is turned off. If this option is turned on, you have to make sure this option is turned off, just like this. Then you have to go back and click on sensitive media. Then you have to click on graphics violence, and if this option is turned on, you have to click on this option, show all. Then you have to do the same for adult content. If this option is turned on, you have to click on show all to see the adult content on your X app. Then you have to click on others, and you have to do the same for this option also. After doing all the settings, you are now ready to go. Now you can see the sensitive content on X or Twitter app. So I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.